Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about break and next statements in Ruby, and this is going to be very interesting. Let me create a file first. I will say break and next.rb, and let me also just copy this name and I will give this name in main.rb. So it runs from here. Now here break statement is used to break out of the loop or out of the execution of the loop, and next statement is used to skip that particular iteration. Let me show you an example. Let us say if I use a while loop and I give some condition here, and here if the condition is true, it will execute whatever is inside, and then I will say end. Now if I just say true and here I say puts I am inside while, now you can see this condition is always true because I have set true here and I'm running something, I'm printing something. If I run this, it will be an infinite loop. You can see it is an infinite loop because we are not breaking out and the condition is always true. Let me stop this, and now if I say here, let me say x equals 1, and here is the condition while x is less than equals to 10, then I want to put the value of x, and then I just say here, let me say if x becomes equals to 5, I want to break. Let us say I just want to break this loop and come out. So what happens now is x is 1, here it will check x is less than equals to 10. This is true, so it will come inside, then we'll check this condition. If this is true, it will break, otherwise it will keep on running. And I also have to make x increment by 1, so I can say plus equals 1, or I can also say x equals x plus 1. If I run this now, you will see it is running until 4, and as soon as x becomes 5, it breaks out of the loop. So we can put this break whenever we want to check that if some particular condition becomes true, I want to break the loop. So you can use break here. Then for next, let me show you a very simple example. I will select everything and press Control and / on my keyboard to comment out, and now I will say here, let me use a for loop. I will say for I in 1 to 10, we have already learned for loops, and I will say do, and I will say puts I, and then I will say end. If I run this, let us see the output. I think we do not use this here. Let me check. There was an error. Okay, this should be I in. I am kind of forgetting the syntax. Yeah, it is for I in this range, then I am printing the value of I, which prints from 1 to 10. Now let us just say, if I say here, if I becomes equals to 5, then I say next and I say end. If I run this now, let us see what happens. I will run this again, and now if you see, it is printing 1 2 3 4 and 5 is skipped. So here it comes here, and next will skip that particular iteration but still continue with the rest of the iteration. So this is how and when you can use break and next in Ruby. I hope this was useful. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much for watching.